Got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this.
What's up, everybody? So we're with Steven. Say hi. Hi. We're gonna go take a ride, one last ride in his MR2 with the 3S GT in it, and enjoy some these back roads. So come along with us and let's go for a ride. Dropping this K24 and double its horsepower. We're going to go for around 800. This thing should be a beast. Wow, I can't even. 800 horsepower in this little thing is going to make this thing fly. So we're going to roll up here and we're going to park and talk about his car and all the stuff he's got in it. All right, so we're here with Steven. We're checking out his. What year is this thing?
91.
1991 Toyota MR2. Has the T-tops. Was this originally a NA car?
No, it's original turbo car.
Original turbo car, okay.
TCS did the swap.
Go ahead and tell us a little bit about it.
It has the TCS Motorsports 3S GTE swap, dock race, top mount manifold, precision turbo, all the bells and whistles, ID 1000 injectors, and an Adaptronic standalone. That's about the gist of it.
Okay, and you were telling me a little bit about the suspension in the car. It's Brian Crowder with
custom spring rates.
Custom spring rates.
Yep. Ty Saxton ordered those.
Yep.
Corbin Johnson did the tuning on it at Turn In Concepts. It's right around 400 to the wheels.
Awesome. And what kind of exhaust is it? Just 3-inch exhaust?
3-inch into 4-inch, I believe.
Oh wow.
That also is TCS.
Yeah, that sounds really good.
Thank you. It is loud.
And then you got obviously the works on there, which are absolutely phenomenal.
Thanks. They're 17x9 in the front and 18x10 in the back.
Wow. That's a big wheel in the back. All right, cool. So tell us a little bit about the new setup.
The new setup will be K24, CSS block, Prayon Tune Stage 2 cams, all the goodies. Aries pistons, Turbo Tough rods, skunk manifold, everything good I can get, everything that you recommended.
Then we got a Precision
6870 ball bearing turbo.
Wow. And then we're going to go ahead and use the air to water intercooler setup like we have on mine.
Yes.
And we're going to target for
850 is the target.
850. So 900. We'll call it 9.
Yeah, that's fine.
That motor is built to last. So, all right. So, thanks, Steven, and
thank you.
We're gonna have fun with your car and putting everything up on YouTube.
I can't wait.
All right. All right, peeps. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for hanging out with us, going for a ride, learning about Steven's car before the good old 3S gets dumped for the K24 with the big power. Next week's video, we're going to dive right in, start getting the parts off, get the engine out, and I'll give you guys a quick step-by-step on how to do that. So check that out next week, and I'll see you then.